Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Remember the name. The name of my YouTube channel is Nice Mountain. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for me and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. In this video, I am going to teach you how to know the number of a missing Ghana card. I'm going to teach you how to know the number of a missing Ghana card in case you are walking around and you pick Ghana card on the floor.
Okay, if you find a Ghana card around, I'm going to show you how to figure out the number linked to it so that you can contact the person and return the Ghana card to them, as I said earlier. Please note this, if you are to return the Ghana card, meet that person at a public place, either a bus station or in the market, so that you can return the Ghana card to that person. Now, to start with, you just take your phone and go to the call dialer and dial *402#. Then you call. So you wait a while for it to load. After loading, just go and select the option 1, which says check SIMs. Option 1. After that, here you enter your Ghana card. That's the Ghana card personal ID number. You enter that Ghana card personal ID number over here. So now let me enter the missing Ghana card personal ID number over here. After that, you just press on the send. Here, you're supposed to enter the missing Ghana card, the person's date of birth over here. So now let's enter the date of birth over here. Then you press the send button. As you can see, the message that will pop up is yellow. Your request has been received successfully. Your registered phone numbers will be shared via SMS. Alright, so let's click on OK and wait patiently for the number linked to the missing Ghana card. Alright, so as you can see, 402, this is the message that pops up. So let's click on it to see. Alright, so as you can see, MTN 0242. So this is the number linked to the missing Ghana card. So when you find out that this is that number, you just call the person and then meet the person at a public place. Take note, you meet the person at a public place. So after you follow these steps, it's very simple. The number linked to the missing Ghana card will pop up. Just call the person and meet the person at a public place. Thank you. Remember the name, Nice Man Tech. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Please kindly make sure to share this video to help a friend to save a friend. Thank you.